Hi and welcome back to Sandhya's Kitchen. In this video, I would like to share with you a very simple breakfast recipe. This is made using finger millet flour. It's called Ragi Malt or Ragi Java or Ambali. I'll be sharing with you two variations of this Ragi Java, one using milk and another using buttermilk. This is very delicious and a very healthy recipe that can be taken every day in the morning. So the ingredient that I'll be using in this recipe is ragi flour. This is something that I bought here from an Indian store. It's just basically ragi. It's just basically millets made into powder. So I'll be using 2 spoons of this powder. First, take around 2 cups of water. And then take 2 full spoons of the millet flour and mix this thoroughly so that there are no lumps in the liquid. You can make this on the stove, but it's very tedious process. You need to constantly babysit it and keep stirring it so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom or overflow. So that is eliminated using instant pot. That is the reason I would love to make this in the instant pot. So now you can see there are no lumps in the liquid here. It's thoroughly mixed. So just close this using a small lid. Instant pot settings. Turn on your instant pot. Make sure you have your trivet on. Add around 1 cup of water to this. Place your bowl into the instant pot. Close the lid. Set the pressure cook and set it to 5 minutes. And make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. Meanwhile, while that is being cooked, I'm gonna take some yogurt and whisk this well. So the finger millet or foxtail millet has a lot of calcium in it and also has a lot of carbs in it. So usually when I'm pressed for time or when I don't have time to make breakfast, I usually drink this ragi java using yogurt, and that keeps me full until lunch. So I hope you all try this recipe and you also give this to your kids and make it part of their daily routine. So it's been 5 minutes and this is done. So I'm going to do a quick release. And once the valve is down, open this. I'm going to take this out. So let's mix this well. You can see this is cooked in a good consistency. Now since I'm gonna show you 2 different variations, I'm gonna make this into 2 pots and take it in 2 separate bowls. So into 1 bowl, take your jaggery or cane sugar. You can also use regular sugar if needed, but I like this taste. And mix it well, and because of the heat of the ragi java, it's gonna dissolve quickly. And this porridge can be made and saved in the fridge for around 2 to 3 days. So the cane sugar is completely melted. So into this, I'm gonna add some milk. And milk can be adjusted according to your taste. So I have used around half a cup of milk, and this is at a good consistency. And if you want some more milk, you can add it, and that's completely fine. These variations can be adjusted according to your taste. And as per the second variation, I'm gonna take some salt and add salt into this. So I have previously whisked some buttermilk. So I'm going to add this buttermilk into this And this is my favorite recipe, and this is what I drink every day in the morning. And kids usually love this sweet. So I hope you liked watching this video. For more such recipes, please subscribe to my channel and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.
దాన్ని పొయ్యడానికి ఒకటి ఉంది, ఆ ఎడ్జ్ నుంచి పోయి. శక్తికి తృప్తికి నిర్వచనం.
Sugar with palm sugar and milk, and even for kids, the ఎదిగే పిల్లల్ని ఏమంటారు ఇంగ్లీష్లో?
అలాంటి ఫ్రేజ్ లేదనుకుంటా.
Even for kids and toddlers, this juice, this
Porridge soup.
Even for kids, this porridge is very healthy because it helps them bones strong.
It makes our bones stronger.